What's up guys, it's me Albert Ligaspi and welcome back to another mini short vlog. Yay! By the way guys, today I'm so blessed because Stella Maris is on board now. So this is my first time to inquire here. So napakalaki natin kasi nambibigay sila ng Bible and then rosary and then picture ni Mama Mary. So this is my also first time to inquire sa kanila. Even though we have a lot of struggles in our lives here in the cruise ship, so all you need to do guys is trust our Almighty God kahit ang dami man natin problema dumating sa buhay natin. So wag lang tayong mawalan ng pananalig natin sa ating Almighty God dahil nandyan siya palagi. So yun, napakasaya ko din kasi binigyan tayo ng ganitong picture ni Mama Mary, napakaganda niya dyan. Tapos ayun yung rosary na sinuot ko na ngayon. So it's my favorite color, yung sky blue. And then I will read this every night, every morning during I will wake up. So babasahin ko to gabi-gabi before ako matulog. Tapos yung ano nila card. And then so ayun lang ma-share ko sa inyo. And then